from this to this using Capcut. So with no further ado, let's get started. So guys, to remove objects from your video, import the video you want to remove object. So this is the video I want to remove this object in this background to make it plain, to make the background just this one. So I've imported the clip. So from here, just select the video in the timeline and duplicate. When you click it, you see these tools. Just move the tools to your left and you see where it says duplicate. This is it, duplicate. I'll click on duplicate and I've duplicate. So I'll just move the tools and click on overlay. Then I'll move the overlay to the beginning of the video. So select your overlay and these tools will appear. You just move them to your left. Then you see where it says max. Tap on max. It's going to open up this way. You just click on rectangle. So I'll click on rectangle and this will appear. From here, you just size this stuff. You adjust it and click the check button at your right. Then use your two hands to drag this stuff right here, as you can see. Use your two hands to drag it. Then tap on max again. Then adjust the fader by using this tool down here. Adjust the fader by using this tool right here. So this is it. So this is it, guys. As you can see, you have covered my left hand part. So you are just going to do the same thing to this other one. So you are just going to save this video, because you cannot do this more than one time. You just need to save this video, import it and take the same step. So I'm just going to save this video. So it's done saving. We are just going to go back and import this new one we just saved. So import this new one. Click on new project and import. This is it. So as you can see, the object is not here. So to remove this one, we are just going to click on the video, then move these tools to your left, click duplicate, then move the tools to your right. You see overlay, you tap on overlay and move this overlay to the beginning of the video. Then click on the overlay, move this tool and you see max. Tap on max, then rectangle, tap on rectangle, then you adjust this. To adjust it, click your max to adjust the fader. Use this tool down here. Just going to size it, drag it, then use your fader and adjust. So this is it, guys. You can bend this, as you can see, to cover up that object. Drag it, just adjust this stuff right here. Take the fader and click the check box. So as you can see, that object has been covered. You can still click to adjust it a little bit. Yeah. So guys, if this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification button for more videos. So this small one that is up here close to my head, you are just going to do the same thing. You save this video, then import it back and take the same step. So that's how you are going to cover up remove all the objects. So I'm just going to save this video, import it back, and cover up this object right here. So I'm going to do this quickly. So guys, that's it. From here you can adjust the color of your marks. Just swipe and you see where it says adjust. You can dim, as you can see, you can dim it to blend the color with the one. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more videos, and share this video to your friends, loved ones. Let me know your thought on the comment section if this video was helpful. Don't forget to share the video. See you in my next video.